welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of my iPhone 11. I'm so excited for this. I'm finally gonna upgrade from the 7 Plus to the 11. Like, ooh. So this is the box. I ordered it online. Yeah. I've been craving the iPhone 11 for a long time now. I finally have it, and I ordered the white one. Okay. Wow. This looks cute. Let me see. It's like the same size with the Plus. It's almost the same size. It's a little bit different. See right here, it's probably the case too. Definitely just a little bit different right there. Yeah, this feel more heavy. The 11 is more heavier than the 7. Like, can you see the side here, how much space this has? Look at the side. That's how you know the 11 is more heavier. This is more flat. This is chunkier. I like this one. I don't know, chunky or flat. Which one would you prefer? I think chunky. I'm trying to see how this 2 camera thing gonna work. Let me turn this on. Oh, it came with the iPhone, of course, the basic iPhone stuff. Yeah, the headphones and this. That's pretty much it. What is in here? It should be the SIM card thing. Yeah, I know it. I'm used to this iPhone 10, so I already know what coming in the past. You know, I have to remove my SIM card from the phone. This is like my receipt. So let's turn this on. How you turn this on? The iPhone 7 Plus is on the side, and this one has no button, and it don't have the turn it on button right here. So I'm confused. Oh, this one is big. The turn it on button is more longer than the iPhone 7. The iPhone 7 is about like half of this. It's smaller. English. You know what? I'm gonna transfer my SIM card. This one too is at the bottom. It's like the, I don't know. Let me turn this off first. Oh, it already has the SIM card? I'm stupid. Yeah. I don't want to do a Face ID. I'm just going to do a pin. Wait, so I could still use this phone? That's crazy. I forgot my passport, so I have to wait 24 hours to reset it so I can turn it on right now. But this is it. I already put the case on. Yeah. So cute, so classy, clean. Happy about this. It's so clean. I feel good touching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.